What's up? What's up, Jared? Please tell me if you can hear me. Yesterday, spoke for like 10 minutes. And the audio isn't working. Alright, looks good. So, welcome everybody. Welcome to the London session. As you can see here, last night we destroyed gold on FOMC. Plan was given ahead of time. We waited for 8:30 and very nice trade last night. 200 pips. Alright, but let's remove this. Today's a new day. It's gonna be very interesting. So we did get some pullback into just about 1690, and your daily candle closed respecting some key areas at 1680. So I think for the most part we should most likely continue to see gold moving down. Your weekly is bearish. We've got clean traffic on the weekly into 1620. We've also got a level at 1645 on the daily. Yeah, we had big rejections. Strong push up yesterday, and we've come all the way back down. So it looks like we'll most likely continue with the higher time frame bias here. I know your daily candle has no top wick. Right now it is a little bit messy actually. 4 hour, we have closed below the support. Your previous 4 hour candle was a doji, still respecting the support area. What's up, Stefan? This range that we're in right now is a little bit nasty. There's a lot of rejections here. 1655 is a very strong level. But I would really like to take some sells in line with the higher time frame bias here. What I was looking at was actually the 4 hour candle. If we take a sell stop on the break of the current candle low, stops are about 40 pips, and you've got about 10 pips here to fill this 4 hour range, and then potentially fill the wick here for 30 pips. 40 pips to our first target at 1655, and then potential for runners into 1645. Sorry, I missed that FOMC question. FOMC, the next one is for November. Right, so that's our most recent support at 16.59. And we've got resistance here at 16.63. What's up, Moto ZA? I like this 4-hour idea. Let's have a quick look at GJ. So I think yesterday on stream took GJ sells for London session. Yeah, we pulled back a bit deeper into one of those levels I was discussing, 163,300, and then we started to move down. So let's see your daily. Daily close nice and bearish. It's tricky though. We've just about filled this range already, so that was the target there. So the fact that we've already basically tapped targets makes it a different story now. But let's have a look here. Looks like we are retesting this previous support. Good morning, Lupate. Alright, so if we can form resistance here on GJ, I'll be potentially looking for sells. Otherwise, this whole range for today, I'm going to just avoid. I'm not saying that you cannot take trades in this range. Obviously, that's your decision. There is range moving up. But you can see there's some nasty rejections here to this area. If we get a closure above here, there are about 50 pips moving up. Lots of range. But for today, I'm going to take it slow. Overall. The other thing is we have GBP interest rates today. So yeah, I'm going to be very selective with trades on GJ today. Just like yesterday morning, no gold trades. I think this morning I'll most probably have no GJ trades, since we have interest rates later today. Forex done. Can't see anything for today. Yeah, I agree, it's tricky. It's a very tricky day. I mean, at the moment it looks like price will move up. But like I said, I'm not willing to execute on this. If we could form resistance here, I think it would be better for sales. But, I mean, like I say, we've basically tapped into targets here, and you can see we are rejecting pretty heavy. There's a reason that was our target. Okay, that's a weekly support down there. Overall, higher time frame, we are bullish here on GJ. So tapping into a weekly support in an uptrend, you know, we'll most likely see some rejections from that area, and we could potentially continue to move up. Could potentially be moving up, grabbing liquidity for interest rates later on, where we could see a move down here on GJ. Very much like with gold, how we see these strong moves up with interest rates. You know, we can see that same move down with GBPJPY. I like sell ideas here on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the current 4-hour low. So let's see. $160, 200. It's gonna be my sell stop. Let's say 160, sorry, 1660, 150. Stops are above the current 4-hour candle or previous hourly for, let's see, 38, 39 pips. The idea here is we should see some continuation from yesterday's move down. So with FOMC, we generally get some pullback, and we did get that aggressive push up into some key areas, but we've come straight back down. And looking at where your daily has closed, okay, we've closed respecting resistance here. That's just signifying to us where the sentiment lies right now. We are still very bearish on gold. So it looks like we'll continue to move down here. I mean, your weekly makes sense for your weekly to just continue moving down. You've got clean range on the weekly. Sorry guys, let me just write in your sell stop quick. I'll hop on Discord now. What's up?
Wait, should I tell this guy the wrong shit in chat?
What?
Did you say it's a self? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, no, sorry, I think you maybe missed it. I didn't type it up yet. It's based on the 4-hour. Looks like we are just about to get triggered in. Hasn't broken that low just yet. Okay, I'm in. Where's my target? First target is 1655, second target 1645. On TradingView here, I got my stops at 1664 100. 39 pips.
Coming in hot with these sell stops this morning, eh?
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah,
and
I'm
early,
just.
man.
Pardon?
Nice and early for a sell stop, eh?
Yeah. Nah, I see on the higher time frame sometimes these longer sells will play out before London Open. The other day I took one as well. Pre-London. Where was it? 8:30. Yeah, 60 pips. Oh, that was on Friday.
Oh no, I definitely think there is something behind the pre-London volume, eh? That carries into London.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm just anticipating a bit of a continuation from yesterday.
Yeah.
It's crazy how quickly it came down.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. I was very, very shocked when I woke up this morning and I was checking my charts, and then just give me a second.
What's up, Liam? Welcome to the stream.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I was saying this morning when I woke up and I first checked the ticker and I saw gold's at 1660 again. I'm like, what?
What?
I was really,
Yeah, I
I
know.
was really expected to stay at like 1675. I was waiting for support to form there for further buys, but I mean, obviously not.
Yeah, I mean, normally we do see more upside with interest rates. I was expecting like a pullback into 1700.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I wanted that establishment of support up at like 1675 where that resistance was, and then possible retest to 1700, but it just didn't come the way I wanted it, I guess.
Did you take the bars last night, Jared?
Yeah, I did. I was actually on a call with Niku.
Oh, like a...
but I got out a little bit earlier than you. I got in at 1664.7 and I got out at 1674.4, so it was about a 96 pip move.
Yeah, but Jared's TP got smashed in like
3 seconds.
a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
Yeah. Those 1 minute candles are just pushing.
Jared was still like Jared didn't even have a chance to think to move TP, bro. Like he's like, I can't believe this thing just hit my TP. I'm still saying, so how, are you still holding? This man's been out the trade for I don't know how long.
No, the thing was, I didn't even like, in my mind, right? I didn't even justify that it was a trade, like, because it was so quick. It was literally.
It was so quick. It was
like
ridiculous.
Minutes and
But you know what was last? The candle didn't spawn in. We had time to like execute, you know.
But it happens like that every time
Yeah,
at
I've noticed. I
8:30
remember last time.
with the press conference, because interest rates will do that spawning in nonsense. Like it
Yeah.
dropped 100 odd pips at 8. You know, this wick down yesterday was so quick, and that was at 8. Like when news is released, you get that kind of stuff. But with the press conference, it moves a bit more gradually. It's a bit more forgiving.
Yeah.
Did you see this GJ news?
Yeah, later
This
today.
morning?
Oh, there was also JPY interest rates this morning.
Dude, I think
I
in
don't
the
think you
chat,
should go off the screen if you're in a trade, Con.
Pardon?
I don't think you should go off screen if you're in a trade.
Now I've got my chart open here on my phone. I can see. So
Not for you, monkey.
I'm sure they also have their charts open.
Yeah, me too, but like, I don't know. So who's buying the Lambo?
I kind
You
of
or
only want to
Jared?
go break even as we fill the wick of the 4 hour.
what price point is that? That's gonna be
Let's say 57.
56.8. Yeah, 57 sounds good. Yeah, I was on a phone call this morning, so I missed that entry. So I'm unfortunately not in this one.
I mean, it is based off the 4 hour, so give it a little bit more room here.
Yeah. Yeah, but if I had to get in now, it would be.
I think if you had to get it now, you'd probably just wait for this candle to close,
Yeah.
or maybe
It'd
even
be-
wait for London Open.
Yeah.
But by then you might have missed the move.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna give it a little bit more time and just see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if it, yeah, no, it's definitely in my book a mismove. Just but I was saying to Niku, this week's been crazy. It's been 4 trades, a 99 pip, a negative, what was it, 12, a positive 63, and a positive 96.
Yesterday.
Dude.
But there's a lot of red folders this week. I mean, when you have these weeks, there's crazy movement. I never used to like to see so many red folders, but I've started to love it. Not that I trade the news, but it brings a lot of volume.
Yeah, and if you've got clear structure on it, then it's beautiful. But if you've got piss willy volume and then just these spikes out of nowhere, then it's never lacquer.
Yeah, I know sometimes the market just isn't in the right phase for it to be a good week, and it can just be all over the place.
Yeah, but the thing is, sometimes it ranges, and its range is like 50 fucking candles. Then it's like it's.
Yeah, that's true as well.
Oh.
Dude, I think this could be the Liam I told you X about, but I'm not too sure.
From Denterdag.
No, from Sunday. But I'm not too sure, dude. Because he wouldn't spell here as Hear.
A shame.
And he didn't really answer my point, like
Liam, did you see Jared at the party? Were you skitting together with Jared?
Jared was
he's
working.
cutting. Yeah. Uns.
That's what I was just about to do. Was
Yeah, I know.
He says no, it's not him.
Yeah, it's not.
It's on him.
Do I swing trade? Oh, this might be a swing trade. No, I don't swing trade. Only day trade. There's times where I do hold trades for a few hours, but I'd rather not. wrong, Liam.
Do you see what you did, Jared? Now you're making someone insecure about how they type something. You're a bad influence, Jared.
I'm
Bad
literally
influence.
typing now. I'm literally typing now. No worries, man. If you saw my spelling before autocorrect, you wouldn't listen to me at all.
Very
closed
nice
below
closing.
this level at 1659, so that's nice. The idea was here for sales below this level. So we've got that closure below, and we've got a bit of an advantage here.
Looks like 30 is testing that level perfectly too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just hope we get what we want. No
Yeah,
way,
he's got
Jensen.
the right attitude there.
He clearly heard us say some shit about a Lambo.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's get
Yeah,
the
let's-
Lambo. Oh
no,
yes,
listen to
boys.
Listen to this. Hey, fucking Jared, bro. He says we three must buy a Lambo and leave it in Pretoria. That was a dumb idea.
I told Connor, and Connor agreed. He said it's for safekeeping.
Nah,
told him
I
stay
said
with
keep it in
two
East
people.
London. There's 2 of us
Yeah.
here.
Exactly. You see,
Exactly.
Jared.
So it's
But Jared,
it's
you don't mind basing 33%, bro. You know what I mean? And the car's staying by us. Don't mind that.
no. Listen here, right? There's 2
When
of
you
you
come down
there,
in December,
which means more wear and tear, right? And it's by the sea, so it's gonna rust. Okay?
No,
Oh my god.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I definitely think Pretoria is a safer option, you know?
I'll tell you what, we'll give it to you for at least 2 days. 2 days. And then when you come in December again, you can drive it for the December. Okay. 2 days in the year and the December month. The rest of the time, it's from me and Connor.
No bottom
I
wick
don't
on the
know.
15. What does it mean? Well, as you can see, the candle has come back down to create a bottom wick. So 9 times out of 10, we will come back to create that bottom wick. And as we do so, we are flipping bearish as well. Yeah, we flip back bullish, of course. But the fact that it created a top wick first is always nice, because we need that top wick. So we've created the top wick, come back down, flip bearish, and we're going to continue to move to our break-even point now.
Jared, you see, Wayne's got the same idea, cuck, as you. He wants it to be left in Kimberley now. No.
Hey, Wayne, what's up?
Wayne and Jared have the same cuck ideas in their head, really. It's at the end of the day, we're still 2. Me and Connor are beating everyone here. We're still 2.
Just
Wayne,
wait until Kalen pops in the chat.
Oh, then it's
3 you. I mean, everyone.
Yeah.
bro.
And I can't argue against a female. They just always win.
You're
Yeah.
losing, bro.
Final
Listen to Connor,
target,
yeah.
1645, 750.
Oh, God, no. The way you say, yeah, like you know.
What?
And Jared said, you can't argue against a female. You went, yeah.
Yeah, you can't.
Dude, they just start hitting you with logic, and then you like,
What?
No.
they make you feel
No.
dumb, and then you're like, what?
Woman, logic.
Nah, dude.
You're in a different boat again. But
Wait, somebody else said something. Is day trading a scalping or not?
No.
Mm, well, I would
Uh,
say that I day trade, but some of these trades turn into scalps.
Yeah. It's all dependent on the scenario that we're in. So when you're day trading, you can scalp. If, for instance, you see that a scalp is going to work here, you can obviously hold positions longer than a day. But yeah, generally day trading is getting in and out of positions in the same day. So in the same session, same 24-hour period.
Yeah, so you can hold it for, sometimes a couple hours. Scalps
Yeah.
are generally a few minutes.
Yeah.
So that's why, yeah, it depends on the situation. Some of these trades turn into scalps. Sometimes we sit in trades for 2 hours.
we don't we don't swing trade, but if it turns into a swing trade, we don't care, but we prefer not to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Simple.
Like, I mean,
By the way,
Yeah.
Jared,
Yeah.
it's 4v1. Okay, you
Who
may
needs a
carry
fourth
on.
now? Hey.
Carl Ansley sent me a message saying
Oh
it's definitely
yes, yes, boys.
No. You see, now this just sounds like to me that it's just gonna be abused. Hey, I'm gonna look
Bro,
up. There's gonna be
they
one
are-
man in it. Hey.
Carl and Galen are just taking pictures by the Lambo. They're not allowed to drive. They either passing or they're taking pictures, bro. That's it.
And then you guys are gonna get in with your dirty ass sand feet from the beach. And, oh, you just see the valley going down.
Oh, to the beach in the Lambo. Huh?
Entries for sales 1661.50. We're already in here.
We've already entered the cell.
Hey, what's up?
Wait, so 12 of my friends just messaged me and said that the
God,
That's
12. You even have 12 friends.
now it's 13 verse 4. Hey.
How long? Did you have to count on your fingers how many friends you have, huh?
No,
Yes, you-
hey. I have 2, okay?
It's still 4v3ing then, bro. We still win.
What do you call it? With with that,
Wait.
do you want to hear that Harry Potter joke? Okay?
No. But listen, what does Pablo Batista mean? 76.jm? Point. Oh,
No,
What is he
I don't
saying?
know. I really don't know.
76.jm.
I was just thinking if you wanted to be understood, you would send another message. I don't know
Well,
what
go
that
for
means.
it. Oh, that's money is working.
Eh?
He said 12 friends, not 12 girlfriends. Like, we already knew
Money
it was
is
lying.
working.
12 girlfriends. Hey, Jared will know we fucking. That's too much cap right there. Can't lie that hard. Yes.
And imagine how
Cap.
embarrassing it would be if I'm out at the shop and then I have to call Connor. Connor, please send me a signal. Connor, buy gold now. Should I sell? Dude,
Listen,
can you
babe,
guess?
between 8 and
Buy
11,
or
I'm
sell,
busy.
sir?
Yeah.
Yo, I laughed at that. Did you send it to me, Connor? The DVS thing, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I
Fuck funny.
fucking died. Yo. Oh my fuck. What do you think about the picture I sent you now this morning?
Which one?
I don't want to say it, bro. 'cause we're on
I'll have a
stream.
look.
No, man, you know.
Oh,
Little profit.
Little profit.
When did he send it to me? I want to see this as well.
Jared, you can't get offended though, bro, because
Nah,
it's about
man.
a small guy, a short guy. So don't get offended, okay?
Nah, dude. Let me
I
tell you.
think I'm the same height as him though, Nico. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
I think the
what
other
height
guy
is-
standing next to him is just tall.
It's not. That's Tarquin, bro. I know Tarquin. Tarquin's not tall, dude. He's shorter than me.
Oh shit.
That's why I know that he's. That's why I'm saying he's little, dude. Because I know who Tarquin is. Why? Yo, I'm launching myself here by saying his name, bro.
Yeah, you launching hard.
Fuck, I just realized now. I'll
We
send it
speak
to you now.
about- We speak about the Tarquin from
Shut up,
Pretoria, not
shut
the
up,
one in
shut
East
up.
London.
I'll send it to you. You keep quiet. We don't want to launch hard, yeah. We can't because. Yeah, I'll tell you now.
What's up,
You
Game
guys-
Zone?
Yesterday I got called petite, dude. So
Petite.
yeah, dude.
Cute man.
I went for a
Yeah, I would be
tattoo-
touched.
I went to a tattoo appointment and then the artist we're speaking and he's like, yeah, because you're petite, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get it the way you want it. And I was like, what? I was like, what?
Fuck you. Shame, Jared.
Yeah. Dude, that's deep. Eh?
Strong for a little man, bro. You strong.
Yeah,
Don't
dude.
worry.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, Jared, you can at least deadlift the 200, bro. This guy will definitely not deadlift the 200.
Who?
Oh,
Oh,
I'll show Jared.
that's rude. though.
wait, Con, how tall are you, bro?
6'3".
Luckily, you have a cap on there.
Fuck
Look,
it, and how you
Look, if I stand up, you can't even see my head in the camera.
Oh, goodness.
Wow. Wow. A giant. Fucking hell.
No, dude, if you had to stand up, all we seeing is you scratching your belly button there.
Nah, I'm like 5'10",
Wait, how tall is that in meters? Or
like
centimeters?
1.76,
I'll
1.75.
take it.
Yeah, I'm
Jared,
167.
155. How much?
No, 167.
I was gonna say 155. Jeez,
Uh,
it's the same as my 7-year-old sister.
Yeah, Wayne's 178, so same as Connor basically.
A little bit taller.
Yeah, I'm 187, so 20 centimeters on your Jared, bitch.
if anybody calls me small, short, or petite in the chat, I'm blocking you. Eh? I'm a moderator.
Yeah, careful guys. Jared's a moderator.
Jared wants it. Yes, petite one. Oh,
Yeah.
spam petite in the chat, bro. Oh, Jared, you best leave.
Dude. And then I'm pitching up at your house, ringing the doorbell. You look through that like eye thing that you can see through your door.
They won't see
Huh?
you.
Nobody's there.
Huh? Oh, I'm being pranked, bro. These fucking
Tok
kids.
toki.
Wait,
Or did I die?
just stand to the side when I do open the door and walk up. I don't want to trip over you.
Yeah, yes. No, but dude, Nico's a unit, eh? Yes.
Nah, but you're not that smart, bro. I'm just taking the piss. Who
No,
is
no, 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 no,
petite?
no.
That's our other friend, bro. Afski, it's our other mate that's just not your.
Who's petite?
Petite.
If this low can just get broken, dude, like it's fucking annoying right now. No,
There
but
we
to be
go.
fair, if you don't talk shit like this, bro, then it's so quiet when we're in a trade, and it's so cuck.
Yeah.
I don't like it when it's dead quiet.
Petite van der Merwe.
What is it speaking? And petite van der Merwe to pitch up. What cuck are you?
No, you
Listen,
said you were petite.
stop watching your fucking old ass series that you watched back in the day when you were a kid. You hear me? It's making your brain a bit dizzy.
Nah, dude, Connor and I aren't you, bro. We didn't have to watch an hour of TV before they shut off the TV because there was nothing else to watch. We actually had other things.
Bro, listen, if you were a kid watching TV, you had a sad childhood, bro. Because back then you could still play outside, but not today. So I mean,
Right.
yeah, if you had mates, I'm sorry.
We weren't allowed to play outside because it wasn't safe. You guys could
That's
just
not,
run
bro.
and
You
spit
fucking
all day.
fucking Jack Russell when you were like 7, so you still weren't allowed outside.
Oh, dude.
There were safety reasons, Jared. Not anything else.
I was such a small kid that they were scared I was going to blow away with the wind. So
Like,
they're
were
like,
you really a small
"Don't
kid,
stay
bro?
behind the TV. Yeah.
Were you short for a kid as well?
Yo, dude, I was like, I think, every year when you'd line up for picture day, and then they'd be like shortest to tallest.
Oh
Were
yeah.
you also
Yeah, I used to be like second or third in the
every
line.
year?
Shortest.
Yeah, dude, yeah,
tallest?
dude, you're
Shortest. Oh, no, Jesus, imagine.
Now you know what?
short,
Like compared to most of my friends, I'm quite short. But I was looking at old pictures from like primary school, and I was actually most of my pictures like rugby, even the full grade. I was in the top row for every picture I was in. I don't know what happened.
No, but dude, my height and my calves haven't grown since grade 7. So,
Oh my god.
yeah.
Don't worry, Nico's calves also haven't grown
Oh,
since
shots
grade
fired.
7.
So you're saying my grade 7 calves are bigger than your calves? As a full man. That's deep.
Wow.
Yeah, that's actually a good one. I have no comeback to that.
No.
Yeah,
I was training. I was just doing some back yesterday, and I walked past the calf machine. And I was like, I should probably just do some calves, just because my calves are fucking small.
Just warm them up.
Nah, rather not.
That's why they look like fucking chicken legs, bro.
Zach.
No, I'm joking.
Wow.
Don't worry, Connor. Soon we're gonna go fuck that gym up.
Thank you, DJ. Let him know. Guys, hit the like button. And the channel's almost on 1,000 subs, so I'd really appreciate your support here. Of course, there's always a lot to learn. know, London session streams Monday to Friday. Yesterday we had an amazing FOMC stream. Caught some really nice buys here, 200 pips. A couple guys in the Discord actually shared some stuff. Let's have a look. Yeah, someone caught a buy. 180 pips, I think it was.
Oh, Luz.
It was mine. Yesterday was lit. Yesterday was lit.
I've never seen somebody be so lazy to type out yesterday. They type Y day.
Yeah.
That man is on energy saving mode. Yo. It was funnier to me than anyone else.
I don't really like how this 15 closed with no bottom wick. See, everyone in the chat caught at least 100 pips yesterday.
Oh, and there's me sitting with 90,
96.
96. You see, just short again. Eh?
Let me just keep my stupid fucking mouth closed.
Yeah. We're gonna fight, eh?
Both of you shut the fuck up. I was really farting. Test
Guys,
me,
we can
boy.
fight Jared now. Everyone on their knees. Everyone on their knees.
Yes, yes.
But at least I can rave it, though, you know what I mean? I'm not one of those oaks with little man syndrome. Like, nah, anybody even mention shorts, I'm out of here.
You had little man syndrome, just in a different way, you fucked up.
I won't
But
lie, I
I
get
actually
touched
have-
here when I get caught short. Not like that touched. I'm not gonna cry and walk away or whatever. But like, I feel like I'm not that short.
I just don't think it's such a bad thing to be short, bro. Like, yes, maybe if you had like a girlfriend, and then yeah, maybe like if someone teased you then. But like other than that, I don't think it's.
I'm like average height though. And then guys call me
You're
short.
not short. I know, bro. You're not short. That's. No, I mean against Carl, you fucking short because that thing's tall. But
Bro. Yeah. No, listen.
so like when I'm thinking about it now, I can't because I was trying to see like think about how short you are, but like against Carl, it's a difference. So
Yeah, that's just unfair.
Yo, but Carl is taller.
if we get our hour closure down, yeah, bro, our rate that's a week to full. So as long as we don't close that whole week, I'll be happy to with this hour close.
Yeah, I think as long as we close below 1659.
Yeah. We might just leave a little week. I'm like a bigger body than this, but like not the full fucking week gone.
Mm. Got 11 minutes here.
Because we stopped talking cock, that's why.
I'm coming now.
I'm gonna go feed my fishes quickly, Jared. So entertain chat, when gone are gone. Tell them again. Hey, Jared. Wait, I'll tell you. I have to tell you why did the chicken cross the road joke. I'll tell you it now. Okay.
Yeah, gotcha. Yes, I think if I told a joke now, they'd come back to nobody watching the stream, man. You have a UPS, or are you running off of an inverter?
With me,
Yeah.
got an inverter.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, with the load shedding like twice a day, it doesn't get to charge.
Yeah.
It's a
Because-
pain.
My one, yeah. So obviously I got it like yesterday or the day before, and then it worked for the first load shedding. Second one, it worked, and the third one, it worked for about an hour, and it turned off. So I turned it back on, and I was like, okay, cool. You know, maybe it's just flat and whatever. Then it went off like 3 times. Turned it back on, and it worked for like the last hour. So I don't know if this battery's had enough time to charge. You know what I mean?
Probably not.
You think it is that? So I was even like reading the manual to the.
I don't
to
know
the
where I heard this. I
UPS.
think Nico, was it you telling me?
What's that?
It needs to charge. The batteries need to charge. I think 3 times the amount of time that they're being used.
Oh, I
So if you
see.
use them for 3 hours, they need 9 hours to charge.
Yeah.
Wait,
That makes
that's
sense.
at least what
You-
I
you
heard about
spoke
the ones for the inverter.
Like you need, like basically, Jared, if you want to make an easy sense of it, also, if your house, like let's say, needs 1 battery, you need
Yeah.
3 batteries, 2 to run the house, 1 to charge the 2. You feel?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Then your system's basically hundreds, bro.
Yeah. Because I got a 1 battery one, but this battery's massive, dude.
Yeah.
So then it ran for the first load shedding shop.
Ah,
Then
5'6".
what?
Just sorry,
What?
bruh. Afski said he's 5'6", bruh. Jesus Christ. Good.
You
Horse,
scared me there.
horse, what? What's that shit called? That horse fucking shit they give you, Connor?
Growth hormone.
I don't know.
Yes.
Growth hormone.
Afski, you need like fucking a lot.
A lot. Ashamed.
I'm teasing,
Yeah.
bro. Don't be serious. Hey, don't think I'm serious, Afski. I'm just joking, dude. Hey, sorry. I'm teasing. Don't think I'm serious. You know. Hey, I don't know if he wasn't joking. That's why. Wait, maybe he thinks I'm serious.
So, Nico, what UPS do you have? What's the name of it?
Yo, bro, that thing's far. You really don't. Okay. I'll be honest.
Yeah. Because you see, I also opened mine up and I took out the beeper.
I have a volcano. Do you hear me?
Of the what? Yeah.
That volcano.
Oh yeah. Oh, because I opened mine up, and I took out the beeper.
The beeper.
Yeah, because you know most
What beeper?
UPSs beep when it's using battery.
Not a man, bro.
But yeah,
Man,
anyway,
man.
so I was telling Con that the first load shedding ran shut, the second one was shut, the third one, it cut out after an hour, then I turned it back on, and then it cut out every 15 minutes.
I heard you, and then you said it came on for the last hour. But dude,
Yeah.
like, mine doesn't, like, what happened to mine was we had 6 hours of load shedding, but in the time frame of 7 hours. So it went off 3 hours, came on for an hour, went off 3 hours. The first 3 hours was fine because my UPS lasts about like 3.5 hours for my Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So 3 hours went, a charge for the hour, then the 3 hours was on for about 2.5 hours, went off. So I mean that's really good. Then next day happened, bro, like maybe like 2 hours went off. So I was like, okay, that's weird. Then after that again, it was 20 minutes. Well, I got home yesterday off from gym, and like it was 20 minutes into load shedding, and my UPS was off. So I was like, fuck. So, but now it's working. I don't know. It's on 100% charge and everything. So we'll see. Oh fuck! I actually have load shedding in 5 minutes. So good thing we spoke about.
Did you buy one of those things to measure the voltage, like that goes on the UPS itself, or did yours come with it?
Mine has 2 voltage things at the back. You can just. Yes. Yeah.
Because I'm gonna go get one of those today, and then I want to read the voltage and stuff and see where the problem lies. If the battery just hasn't had enough time to charge to run what I needed to run, because it's just running my Wi-Fi and my laptop during load shedding. So I just want to see what's up with it.
How big is the UPS you got?
It's quite big. Eh? It's one battery, but it's flipping massive.
What's
That's
up on
weird.
GJ? Not too much. There's some movement, but we've got GBP interest rates later on, so gonna take it slow here with GJ today.
It's so weird, Connor. I hear you on Discord say what's on GJ, not so much, and then like on screen you're still looking like down, bro. Like you're not even focused. That's why I start laughing because it's like you're just answering like not so much, and then you carry on with laugh. But then I see it come in on the stream, and then you do everything where you go to GJ and everything. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Like delayed.
I don't know how to answer Wayne, bro. I don't have no. That's for you guys.
Mine's Joe, I don't know, Joe something.
No, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not 100% sure.
Lead acid deep cycle here. I don't know. I really don't know.
Wayne, you specialize in batteries, boot. He just probably knows what he's talking about, bro.
I mean, I think a lot of South Africans are probably quite clued up on batteries.
Sure, no facts. Wow.
Steph has no soul, bro. Fuck's sakes.
Yo, Steph just pops in the chat, starts roasting people.
Whoa. Wow, I didn't expect that, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, Steph, you need to chill.
How tall is Steph? Does
Leave
anyone
chats
know?
alone, bro.
Yeah. Now he says hello. Yes. I'm 6'3". That's why I made the joke, because he's 6'3".
Yeah, you
How
see
do
these
we
tall
know?
guys always beefing with us.
Dude. He's 6'3". He's got a boat. He's got hers. Dude, man's living the life, eh?
Yo, nah.
Fuck, and it was unexpected because I read chat like I'm reading something important, bro. And then I was like, baseball stump. I was like, ha.
Alright, this hourly candle is sitting at support and we've got 2 minutes. So getting
Yeah, I
tricky
think-
here.
If we,
Yeah.
in the new hour, I think if we wake up, we don't break the body high, and then we flip back bearish, then I think I might enter.
Yeah, that's a nice idea. "44 seconds. Push, 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 push." As long as your hourly candle closes below support, I'm happy. Look at this, gents. Ladies and gents. Closed beautifully here. You see, this is the reason I took the 4-hour setup instead of waiting for London Open. Now if we break this previous 30-minute low, previous hourly low, you should see us run to our break-even point here, and we'll see. 1655 is a very reasonable target, but once we tap into that level, we could see a lot of rejection. So I'm gonna secure half at 1655. Gold, where are you going? Come down, man. Damn, it's coming. Don't worry. You guys play Warzone? I think Nico, don't you play Warzone?
I think Niku got disconnected with the load shedding.
Oh shit. Cock one.
I am, yeah. I don't. Oh wait, I'm load shedding. I have to switch my shit off, bro. Fuck. But no, I don't play Warzone. I play the Modern Warfare, the game itself, not the Warzone mode.
Now, boss, we're on the way to the downside Lambo dreams. Hey guys, don't say W just yet. Just gonna ride the wave on this one. Let's see break even. Come on, gold. If it is stop loss, we come here for you. Alright, so I'm gonna go break even right here. We shouldn't break this previous 30-minute high either way. So the stops are right there at entry. And we are currently up 26 pips. As we tap into 1655, I'll be closing half. We are right at previous 4-hour lows, just broken. Yeah, we should tap into 1655 now. There's nowhere else for price to go here. Alrighty, closing. I'm gonna close half right here. That's 39 pips. In fact, toying with the idea of closing 75%. Now I'm gonna let it run, guys. I'm gonna let it run. If we can break this 55 level, it's gone. Well done, DJ. Oh yeah, you see heavy rejections from this 55 level. Yeah, I made some nice profit yesterday, so I'm pretty happy to leave 50% yet to run. But I think I'm gonna start closing out 75% more often instead of 50%. Cobra Mindset, what's up? Thank you. Can we still hold until 1646? That's completely up to you. So far, this is a pretty good trade. I mean, you've got about 30-40 pips in the bag here if you secured while we were down here. So, you know, if you want to call it a day, that's fine. Personally, I'm happy to leave 50% running here. Because like I say, if we can break this 1655 level, it's gone. There's nowhere else for price to go but 1645, 1646. We need to break these lows from yesterday. Thank you for the sub, guys. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I missed that sell again.
Yeah, that's what I was concerned about. That's why I wanted the pre-London entry.
I didn't manage to get the entry I wanted, so. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I also, you know, I'm still like practicing with these kind of entries, pre-London. But you know, when they come, you can kind of see them. It's not every day, but when they're there, they're there.
What I've noticed with London / going into New York is I've checked you get the pre-London push and you get the establishment of either support or resistance. It comes back, it doesn't really tap your entry, and then at about 1 o'clock it starts moving in that direction again, a high or low for the day. So there definitely is something to that pre-London entry style.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice movement pre-London, but it's tricky to get involved, I think, from 8 o'clock. Because 8 o'clock, sometimes you see volume die down. I think if I started the stream at 7, we would get a lot more pre-London trades, but yeah, that's...
I don't know, I think 7 is a bit too early to start streaming because...
Yeah, no,
No,
I'm not going to stream from 7. No ways.
Because trading is really one of those things. You need like a 2.5 hours per session. That's like the sweet spot for me. If I go anything like 3-4 hours, I just either I burn out or I start getting bored and making dumb decisions. And, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
I agree. I mean, sometimes I sit here until 11 or just after, and that's long. So to sit here from 7, and most days I sit here until 10 anyway, so that would be 3 hours on nearly a daily basis.
Yeah, no, it's a little bit too much for me. I would definitely, I see that 2 hours is a sweet spot. 2.5.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, a lot of my streams are around that length.
Mm.
And Another TP and successful trade, thanks. Fabia's great. Thanks, Wayne. Really appreciate it, bro. Rocket City TP is a real deal. Dankie meneer, dankie Liam. We have rejected 1655, but we haven't completely had a crazy push up. Like yesterday, as soon as we tapped into this level, you could see that there were a lot of orders here. But today, we've had a little push up, and we're pushing back down, just playing around this area. So there's still a possibility of breaking this level. We've got higher time frame structure and momentum on our side here as well.
Yeah, no, Con, this was a very, very good trade there. Well done on that.
Thank you. I was a little bit worried about the daily having no top wick, but yeah, 4 hour to me looked good.
But I think with the daily not having a top wick, I think we're gonna get a liquidity grab past, let's just say like 1650, and then it's gonna establish a support to go and create that top wick.
Yeah, potentially.
Obviously now the lower time frame structure is full on bearish, so there's absolutely no reason to do that. But I think to everybody asking about the top wicks and bottom wicks and everything, generally if you go back and you see candles, 90% of them always have top and bottom wicks. So if you're gonna trade it and you're trying to sell the whole day, then it's going to get tough because it should come up and create a top wick. But if the lower structure is bearish, I mean, there's no reason to continue on sells.
Yeah, you just got to understand the probabilities. You can hold guys till TP, but don't forget to close off and put your stops at break even. Yeah, guys, don't forget. I mean, this is a good trade. You should have secured some profit here, and there's no ways that this should be a loser. I would definitely close partials. I've closed 50% at about 39 pips. Why you say she's short?
39 pip after like a 200 pip win yesterday. Dude, you're on fire there.
Yeah, it's just these red folders, man. They bring volume.
Yeah. Oh, dude, you're 11 subscribers away from 900 today.
Yeah, just a couple winning trades and it picks up very quickly. Guys, please don't forget to leave a like on the stream today. Very nice trade, yeah. Least you guys could do is give the stream a like. 15 minutes about to close here. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit break even on this.
You can't hear me typing when I type, eh?
I can't.
Okay. But I must say, this is where the frustrating part comes in with trading, because not the frustrating part, but I mean, you work for an hour. We've been at it for like an hour, hour and 15, and you're essentially done for the day. So if you don't have hobbies or other things you're going into, you can
Yeah,
definitely keep up your trading the rest of the day.
yeah, you need to have something to distract you from the chart. You can't sit here at the chart for the rest of the day. After you've had such a decent win, you know, at this point, I'll call it a day. This is my trade
Yeah.
for the day. I'm very happy, and I'll come back tomorrow.
I remember once I was trading and I started trading at like 8 o'clock, and at like 8:02 I hit my take profits, and I was like, okay, I literally just worked 2 minutes in the day, and I guess I'm done, eh?
Yeah.
Just imagine a 2-minute work day, literally.
Well, I mean, at work, when I was at work, I used to go to the bathroom at like New York Open, and you know, there were often days where I would catch a little bit of New York Open, whether it be 10, 20, 30 pips, and I would make more than I would for like my weekly wage. And I'd be like, oh, chill, go walk around the factory like I own the place.
And
Fuck
then
you
other
guys, I
days,
don't need you, you need me.
other days you walk around the factory and then they're like, Shay, why is that guy crying? Eh?"
Nah, there were those days. There were those days. I remember one day I was in a trade on Nasdaq. I was in sales, and I was up like 50 something pips, something like that. I don't know. I was up quite a bit, and I thought to myself, "There's no way this is coming back to entries." But I hadn't moved my stops to break even. Like I wasn't managing risk the way I do now. So I left my stop loss where it was. And little did I know, there was Amazon earnings. And I checked my phone maybe 5 minutes later. It's like 2 pips away from my stop loss. I just put my phone back into my pocket. I was like, fuck. And at that point, I was just like depressed for the rest of the day.
Yes, imagine an emotional DJ that trades, and he's got the club pumping, and then he hits his stop loss, and then all of a sudden the new mix. If you love her, you should let her go. Everybody's just like, what the fuck?
Last night's FOMC strategy was like an adrenaline-filled activity. Many traders avoid it like the plague. Last night, I'm glad to say that I was actually quite calm. The previous FOMC, I think I clocked it, and I was very excited, I won't lie. But yesterday, I don't want to say I knew it was going to happen, but I had a lot of confidence in what I was doing. And that's the thing, if you know what you're doing, you know, don't avoid it. News, you know, like we were discussing just now, when news is released, you get these candles that almost spawn in, and the move is super quick, so you can get slipped. And that's why I avoid sell stops and buy stops with news. But that's why if you go watch last night's stream, it's very calculated. I waited for 8:30. I missed this move down. I could have taken sells. I mean, this move down was 130 pips. I didn't care about this move down. I was waiting for us to push up because I've seen it time and time again. And we got that bullish 15-minute candle close, new candle formed, a bottom wick, and I got involved on the bottom wick there. Looks like, yeah, we might fill this wick. Sorry, Jared.
No stress. Your emotions are something else, dude. You can keep calm and collected there.
You have to be a robot.
So I've got this watch, right? And then it gives you this thing that says if you're inactive and your heart rate goes over, I think 120, and it sends you a message saying you've got a high heart rate for inactivity. So then once or twice when I've been using my full light, like,
oh shit.
Then it's someone choosing you but a high heart rate for inactivity, and I just always laugh, because you know it's not emotional. It's just one of those things. Like a heart rate
Yeah,
does pick up. You know what I mean?
yeah, no, I feel. Yeah, there's times here on the stream where my heart is going, won't lie.
Yeah.
But I just gotta stay calm. You know, like a captain of a ship in a storm. You know, maybe you're gonna die, maybe you're gonna crash and die, but you gotta accept your fate and just try your best to survive. So there's no point in panicking. Panicking takes you nowhere.
Yeah, no, that's facts. Yeah,
Look at GJ.
especially. Oh, and I think old Wayne called out a sell earlier.
No, surely.
I promise you. He said, where is it now? They even responded, he said sells on GJ. And then I replied, there's no sells on GJ right now.
I was hoping that we would form resistance here, but I was pretty locked into gold anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a chance we survive here. We could fill this wick. Come back down to 55. I'm thinking if we do come down and fill this wick, I'm thinking to close another 25%. Like we were talking about the daily candle with no top wick. You know, when we talk probabilities, there's a chance that we come up and create that top wick for the daily. So if we can get back down to support here, I think I'll close another 25% and let runners run.
I think I'm gonna go for a 1 rep max on bench today.
Sorry, I was muted. How heavy, Jared?
I think I'm gonna try do 115, Come around
115.
there. 120.
That's
If
not
we can
bad.
see how it goes there.
I think my max was 120, but I wouldn't be able to touch that now.
Oh yeah.
I haven't been pushing heavy lately.
That's it. After that flu that I had, bro, my lips have been in the toilet. Like yesterday, I squatted, and usually, dude, I can whack out 120 for squats for reps, and then I did one, and I was like, yo, I was like, damn, you know, I had to take off my
Pain.
belt and put down, dude. I was like, yo, okay, that was not comfortable at all.
Yeah, nah. I actually skipped legs last week, and I still haven't trained legs this week, and it's Thursday, so
So, yesterday I was in quite a rush, so I just did, I think I did 6 sets of squats, 2 warm-up, 4 proper sets, and then I did leg extensions, and then I had to be off.
Squats and deadlifts is horrible if you take breaks on it, like sick material. Yeah. Squats and deadlifts, yeah. That's one way to tire yourself out. I used to love my squats. I actually did that squat every day. I don't know, it's like some Bulgarian squat program, whatever, we squat every day. I tried that for some time.
Yes, there used to be this oak at my gym that was following also this Bulgarian, this one routine where you basically push as much volume through a muscle as you can. So he was doing like for biceps. He was there for 2 hours just on biceps, and he was doing something ridiculous like 100 sets, and all of his sets were like 20-30 reps.
Jeez,
I was like,
dog.
yes, like that is no, dude.
I just don't want to be that guy who only trains arms. But I've been training arms a lot lately because, like, I haven't been feeling motivated for gym. So it's just one of those things, you know, if I train arms, I know I will enjoy the workout. So I'm just trying to get back into it, try to find my love for gym again, because it's been tough. I feel like I'm getting old and lazy, and it's bad. German volume training. Jared, you eat 210 kgs of protein a day.
No. He asked PBs on deadlift.
There goes break even.
Oh no, with lifts and stuff, it's weird. Because I was training, and then strength came out of nowhere, and then you hit a plateau, and then for a couple like weeks and months, you struggle to get back to that. It's weird how your body works, yeah. And then you have a stint where you're really, really strong, and then you ease off again, and you sickle with like 80%, and then your body just feels well, you rested, and then you can go for your PB. So it's definitely weird how your body works, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's the day. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and take another trade. What I would be looking for today, if anything, is if we can break below this 1655 level. The thing is, once we start to break weekly lows here, we might see quite an aggressive push. So entries might be tricky. That's why I was hoping that these entries would run. But if you could close below 1655, 800, let's say, I'd be looking for sells below there. Other than that, like we discussed, daily's got no top wick here. So there's always a possibility we come up and create this top wick for the daily. At this point, bars above resistance here don't look too bad at 1664. I think I would rather take bars above right here, 1665. Yeah, bars above 1655 to move back up to the daily highs at 1673. Otherwise, sells below 1655.
When you said 1655, don't you mean 65?
Bars above 1655, yeah. Sorry.
55.
No, sells below 1655.
Oh, I thought you said buys above 1655. I was like, wait, what? Sorry, I probably misheard you there. No shot, Con. We appreciate the free money, as always.
No problem.
Yeah, dude, we'll check you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, eh?
Yeah.
Last day of the week.
Yeah, man,
Thanks,
I'm looking here on a 1 minute We've tapped back into this level at 1660. Nice rejection. Fuck.
Oh, dude, I don't think this is worth the headache right now. Oh. That new candle spawned in there.
Yeah, quick.
Yes. I think I was just about to say, I think if we can come down and establish a proper support, then I could see those buys. But like I said, I'm not really going to force anything. I'm going to be off for the morning. Maybe New York catch something.
Yeah. I think I must also call it a day.
Yeah. Hey, new subscriber.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. That's gonna be the day.
Yeah, shot
Take it
Connie,
easy,
check
everybody.
here.
Cheers, Jared.
Yeah, bye.
Cheers, guys. Take it easy. Oh, GBP interest rates later today. I wonder, should we do a stream? I think I'll stream GBP interest rates. I'll let you guys know on Discord. So if you aren't part of the Discord, the link is in the video description, and I'll give you guys a heads up. So interest rates are at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. I'll probably start the stream at 12:30. So we'll see. Cheers, guys. See you then. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.